Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we have multiple news in USD today, and both of them are high impact news. One is at 7 p.m. and the second one is at 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around this time frame. So let's move to the charts. Moving into the charts, we are having a similar structure into the monthly, that is, we were having equal lows and the price swept these equal lows and broke the high, confirming that we are having a strong low over here. The price later broke this strong low, confirming that we are into the bearish trend into the monthly levels. So now, the price reacted from this zone after breaking this low, and this is the zone where the price had taken the liquidity of the previous monthly candle and made it a strong POI for the downward reaction. The price reacted from this level and swept all these equal lows and moved into the upside direction. So let's move to the weeklies now. Moving into the weeklies, we were having a continuous sweep into the weekly levels after the price retraced back into the upward direction, and the price reacted from the order block into the weekly levels, and we are currently having equal highs into the weekly levels. So now, nothing is much clear into the weekly levels. Let's move to the dailies now. Moving into the dailies, we are having equal lows at this level, and we are having an FVG at the daily levels. But currently, we are having the equal highs at the nearest of the euro, and this could be a reason for the external liquidity being taken by the market, and then it will move into the downward direction to take the internal liquidity. So let's move to the 4 hours now. Moving into the 4 hours, this was the structure the market was actually following, and we were sweeping the lows over here and at this zone, and in the last candle which the price actually moved, we swept these low too. So I was actually into the downward direction since the market was showing it's very straight, but though the price was sweeping the lows, I kinda ignored it, which costed me money yesterday. So be cautious about this thing. And why only price reacted from this zone? Because this was the only unmitigated FVG by the market, and it was following the order flows. So now what do we have into the market is either we are going to take this order block, which is quite far from the market, and most likely we are going to take the external liquidity. So I'll be moving into the 1 hour to see if we are having any reaction point for the market at this point. So we are having this FVG at this point. I guess this is not drawn here. I'll be marking it. This FVG at this point, and we are having equal lows. So if this FVG is being disrespected by the market, most likely we are going to take all these equal lows and move into this order block of higher time frame and POI in the 1 hour. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. First of all, I'll be moving into the 30 minutes. So we are having a confluence of the FVG into the 1 hour and 30 minutes too, that we are having only FVG left at this point, which is unmitigated by the market. So most likely we are going to move into this FVG, and if we are going to respect this FVG, we are most likely to move into the upside direction. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. So in 15 minutes, this FVG is also in confluence. So most likely we are having equal lows into the Asia session, and we are most likely going to take this equal lows and move into this POI. And if there is a bullish break into the market, I'll be happy to trade into the upside direction till this equal highs of the higher time frames. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.